All right, the purpose of this video is to talk about how we get glucose from the bloodstream into the actual cell. Now, we often hear about insulin as the primary hormone to allow glucose to come from the from the bloodstream into the cell. However, we need to also consider GLUT4 receptor, which is primarily located on the muscles and adipose tissue, and they are insulin dependent. Without GLUT4 and insulin, glucose cannot enter into the cell from the bloodstream. So let's just look at the receptor and the insulin. So insulin would be the triangle, the receptor is the yellow circle located on the cell. And then the GLUT4 is the protein that's going to translocate to allow the cell to open up and accept the glucose once insulin binds. So as you can see, the receptor for insulin is located on the cell membrane, and the GLUT4 protein is just located inside the cell. Now, once insulin attaches to the receptor here, it's going to activate GLUT4 and translocate it onto the cell membrane. Once it's on the cell membrane, we then can accept glucose molecule from the bloodstream into the cell. And from here, we're going to talk about what do we do with this glucose. If the cell needs ATP, we're going to go through glycolysis. If the cell has adequate energy, we will then make glycogen. That will be in 2 other separate videos.